how to watch offline on YouTube Kids. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you watch offline videos on YouTube Kids. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application YouTube Kids on your device. Alright, so after you open the YouTube Kids, you'll be able to find out all of the videos on YouTube Kids. So now from here, to save it for offline, you'll have to just tap on the video three dot just at the right hand section of that video. So simply tap on that video three dot. Alright, so after you tap on that, you can easily get the options like download video. So simply you have to just tap on that option download video. Alright, so after you download this video, you'll have to just again turn off your mobile data or your Wi-Fi connection from your device. So after you turn off the Wi-Fi connection, you'll have to just again open the YouTube Kids on your device. Alright, so after you are offline on YouTube Kids, you'll be able to see such interface. So from your, you'll have to just tap on the option watch save videos. So simply tap on that. Alright, so after you tap on that, you can easily find out all of the videos that you have been downloaded. So from here, you can easily play the offline videos on YouTube Kids. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.